Good morning. Every day we face a choice to fight for our dreams or to leave it them to chance. Alam ko minsan nakakawalang gana, minsan parang ang daming hadlang, no? But let me tell you this. The only way to achieve those dreams, those goals is to fight for them. Think about it. Only 8% of people actually achieve their New Year's resolutions, and the number is even lower when it comes to long term goals. Imagine kung lahat tayo magle-leave it to chance. Ilang percentage kaya ang magsasucceed? When you fight, when you wake up each day and decide to do something different, you're giving your goals a real shot. Hindi lang basta wishful thinking, pero talagang pinaghihirapan. Fighting means facing discomfort, embracing challenges, and refusing to give up, even when things don't go your way. Choosing to fight is about living with purpose. Leaving things to chance is living passively. And passivity never brought anyone closer to their dreams. Ang mga pangarap natin ay parang halaman. Kailangan din natin silang alagaan at diligan araw-araw para tumubo at magbunga. So I challenge you today. Fight for your dreams every single day. Make the decision to move closer to them. There's no one who can fight for your aspirations but you. And when you choose to fight, you're already choosing to be the part of that 8% who truly succeed. Kasama nyo kami sa laban na to at sabay-sabay nating aabutin ang mga pangarap. Let's fight and let's fight together. Amen?